which is in the form of airway resistance equation, alveolar air equation, amplitude integrated, electron bacterial growth, biological half-life, blood pressure, blood volume, heart rate, human body weight and human height, lung compliance and so on. These are the various equations or various in this field we can use mathematics. Then mathematics. Doctors use maths every day while providing health care for the people. They use maths in the form in X-rays and CAT scan, which is also known as the CT scan. CAT scans means one of the more advanced ways that medical professionals use CAT scan, which is a computerized axial tomography scan. A regular X-ray can provide only two-dimensional view of particular part of the body, but CAT scan provide three-dimensional view of the particular part of the body. CAT scan provides much more information to doctors than a simple two-dimensional X-ray. Then there are some mathematical models which are used in medicine. In that, one of the model is SIR model. SIR model is used in epidemiology. Then what is the epidemics? And epidemics is the rapid spread of infectious diseases to a large number of people in a given population with a short period of time, usually 2 weeks. Example of epidemic diseases are yellow fever, malaria, cholera, tuberculosis and smallpox. Another application of mathematics involves device lithotripter. This is the medical device that uses a property of ellipse to create a kidney stones. Then SIR model. The SIR model is a simple mathematical model of epidemics. The SIR model is used in epidemiology to compute the amount of susceptible, infected and recovered people in a population. There are some equations which are used in SIR model. ds upon dt is equal to minus beta upon beta s of t into it. Di upon dt is equal to beta of s of t minus k into it. dr upon dt is equal to k into k it, where s of t is the number of susceptible individuals at time t, it is the number of infected individuals at time t, and rt is the number of recovered individuals at time t, and k is the recovery rate. This is the graphical representation